Hello friends, this is Veer from Saraswati classes, Narol, Ahmedabad. Friends, we are discussing over here the debit and credit transactions. In previous lecture, we have seen certain examples regarding debit and credit credit transactions. Now I have come up to you with some more examples. I hope you will understand this some more clearly. In previous lecture I have seen all the transactions, they are related with debtor and creditors or cash transactions. In today's lecture I am going to take you some examples regarding with bank. Right? See, the first transaction that I have given over here, deposited rupees 10,000 in the bank or any kind of bank, Bank of India suppose. So I have deposited 10,000 rupees in the bank. The first thing you have to understand, all these three accounts simultaneously should be worked in your mind. First thing, क्या ये पर्सनल अकाउंट है? सेकेंड थिंग, क्या वो रियल अकाउंट है या नॉमिनल अकाउंट है? नॉमिनल तो यहाँ कोई चांस नहीं है, या तो पर्सनल हो सकता है, और किसी भी अकाउंट के अंदर, किसी भी ट्रांजैक्शन के अंदर आपके दो अकाउंट एक साथ काम करते हैं. कई ट्रांजैक्शन ऐसे भी होंगे, ऑन दोज ट्रांजैक्शन ओनली वन अकाउंट विल बी वर्क. दैट हैपेंस सो मेनी टाइम्स इन रियल एसेट्स अकाउंट और इन रियल अकाउंट्स. हियर वी कैन सी इन द फर्स्ट ट्रांजैक्शन, deposited rupees 10,000 in the bank. The first of all you should understand the bank is an artificial person. So we can say the bank is a receiver. The bank is a receiver. Hence, what is to be done? Bank account should be debited. Bank account should be debited. Second one thing, that something goes out of business. Now, what is goes out of business? Cash is goes out of business. So cash goes out. Cash goes out of business. So that cash account should be credited. Now in this single transaction we can say there is an effect in two accounts. Bank is an artificial person, as we know, the first person. Second one thing, cash. The cash is a real account. So we can see in a single transaction there are two accounts related with each other. In second transaction, withdraw rupees 5,000 from the bank, from Dena Bank. Now, in the first transaction we have seen we have deposited some money. So deposit करने में क्या होगा, पैसा हमारी जेब से जाएगा. लेकिन जब विड्रॉ करेंगे तो पैसा बैंक हमें देगी, मतलब पैसा हमारी जेब में आएगा. जेब में आएगा मतलब कैश कम्स इन. अब कैश इज अ एसेट, रियल एसेट अकाउंट. कैश कम्स इन, सो cash account will be debited. Second one thing, who is the provider? In the as in the previous some illustration we have seen the bank is a receiver, that is an artificial person. Similarly, bank here it is giver. So bank is a giver. So bank account will be credited. I hope you get it clearly. In third one, sold rupees 12,000 material to Mitesh. He paid full amount by check. So we are selling goods to Mitesh, means goods goes out. Is it clear? Now, if I am asking you, if I ask something to you, that which kind of transaction it is, so it definitely it will be a cash transaction or a credit transaction. दो ही transaction होते हैं. अब मोस्ट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इसमें कंफ्यूजन होते हैं कि सर मितेश का नाम दिया हुआ है तो इट विल बी अ क्रेडिट ट्रांजैक्शन. ठीक है, बट दे जस्ट फॉरगेट कि भाई हमने अमाउंट क्या कर दी है, चेक से पेमेंट कर दी है, या फिर मितेश को हमने सोल्ड किया तो मितेश ने पेमेंट कर दी है, मतलब पेमेंट हो चुकी है, तो इट विल बी अ कैश ट्रांजैक्शन. मितेश का यहाँ कोई भी रोल नहीं होगा. सो if Mitesh is paying the full amount by check, means check comes in and check is related with bank. Check related with bank. So what is to be done? Check comes in It means bank account debited. And another one thing, from the business something is going out. What is going out? A goods of 12,000 rupees. So goods goes out of business. Goods goes out of the business. So it can be said sale account should be credited. The last one, sold the house of rupees at rupees 2 lakh to Mohan in cash. हमने मोहन को अपना जो घर है वो 2 लाख रुपए में कैश में बेच दिया. कैश में बेचा मतलब कैश हमारे पास आया, कैश कम्स इन. सो कैश अकाउंट क्रेडिट डेबिटेड. ये कैश कम्स इन, हेंस कैश अकाउंट विल बी डेबिटेड. Another one thing, what we are selling, we are not going to sell the goods, we are selling the house. House is a fixed asset, is a property. House or fixed asset goes out, hence house account will be credited. So I hope you understand. Some more illustration can be taken. Received interest of rupees 500. Now this is a nominal kind of transaction. Received interest of 500 rupees. Now if we are receiving the interest, means what? Money comes in, cash comes in. So can be said cash comes in. So what is to be done? Cash account will be debited. ठीक है. अब किस चीज का पैसा आ रहा है हमारे बिजनेस में? That बिजनेस में पैसा आ रहा है in the form of interest. तो इंटरेस्ट क्या है हमारी? इनकम है. So interest account credited. Am I clear? Are you clear? Okay. Next one, given a donation of rupees 5,000. Given a donation of rupees 5,000. Now donation is what? Is it an income of business? If we are receiving the donation, then it's the income. But if we are giving the donation, that must be an expenditure of business. So right here, donation is an expense. So expense account debited or donation account debited, against which what happens? Cash goes out. Cash goes out of business. So cash account will be credited. So these all are the effects that can be given in the debit or credit base to a firm. Still there are more and more examples. I will come with you with the next examples to you. I hope you understand these 5 or 6 transactions that I have taken today. Friends, 11th स्टैंडर्ड के जो पेड अप क्रैश कोर्सेज हैं आपके, वो सिलेबस स्टार्ट हो चुका है. जिन लोगों को कोर्स ज्वाइन करना हो वो मुझसे तात्कालिक ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. आप लोगों को कोई भी कन्फ्यूज़न हो तो मेरे नंबर पे कॉल कीजिए. ठीक है. कोई भी इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको चाहिए तो यू कैन गेट ऑल काइंड ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग स्टडी. अगर आपको ये वीडियो लाइक या पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और साथ ही साथ जो बेल आइकन बटन है उसे दबाना मत भूलिए, सो दैट whenever I upload new video on YouTube you will get all notification regarding that. ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, आपके साथ नई वीडियो को लेकर फिर मैं आपसे जल्द मिलूँगा. टिल देन बाय बाय, गुड बाय.